What's going on, you guys? Kevin here from the Humble Garage, and today we are installing an aggressive-ass rear diffuser on the GTI. Let's get it. That thing is pretty. All right, so over here at the workbench, which is a little messy, I apologize for that. I have out the instructions, the hardware that it came with it, the actual diffuser itself, which is metal, pretty nice. They had 4 different available fin designs. I chose just the traditional straight fin. They had like a little like slanted one and then like a rounded one, but I think these look the best to me. I have all the tools I need out, minus a 15mm Torx. I do have other 15mm sockets, ratchets, and all that other good stuff. I also have an adjustable crescent, so pretty sure the reason you need an 11mm wrench and a socket is probably to hold one side stationary while you unscrew. Anyway, instructions seem very straightforward. It says the difficulty easy, time required about 15 minutes, so pretty simple install. Alright, so this is the underside of the stock diffuser. I apologize, I know the lighting's not too great. I'm just using a flashlight here, but you have 2 T12s, I believe they are, or Torx screws. I do have the proper tool for that. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. You're not going to be returning these back to the stock position. You are actually going to be using the included hardware to create studs, basically, for the new diffuser to hang on. Alright, so the right side came right out, no problemo. This left side, not so much. As you see, I had to gouge it up a little bit. Luckily, the diffuser is going to hide this fuckery over here, but I had to like literally pry it out with some needle nose pliers and some skizzers, and yeah, I had to give it a little muscle. Alright, so with the stock hardware, you're going to take a bolt, 2 washers, and a schnut like that, and you're going to basically sandwich these slats in here. Alright, so if you peel back the diffuser like that, you're going to see these 2 metal brackets back there. That's what you're going to attach the washers, nuts, and bolts to. And it's a pretty solid mounting point, so I don't see this diffuser wiggling loose or anything. So we got a bit of a fitment issue here, boys. So the stock muffler actually bumps up against this diffuser here, right up in here. So what I'm going to have to do would be, I mean, there's 2 different things I can do. The easiest thing to do would be to drill a hole here and there, or I could, you know, cut inward around where the muffler sits, but I'm not going to do all that. So I'm just going to drill an extra hole here because it's literally, it's smacking the actual muffler and won't clear it. It's kind of shitty. Hey boys, sorry about the noise. My neighbors across the street are doing some kind of renovation or shit. Anyway, I measured out 1 inch. In case you're wondering what that is, that's actually touch-up paint for the GTI that I don't know, I needed something that wasn't a black marker to actually mark this thing. So anyway, I got a 5/16 drill bit. I'm going to go ahead and pop through this real quick. Yes, sir. Alrighty boys, it was actually way harder than I expected or than the instructions implied. I think mostly because they are assuming that you have an aftermarket muffler that is tucked up a little bit, but yeah, it was kind of a bitch to install. I really do like it. I do think that it's sticking out a little far, which I mean looks okay, but obviously when I do get a catback, which is probably the last part of the exhaust system I'll do, I already got the downpipe. Then I'm doing a resonator delete, which I have over there behind the bicycle. And then I'm going to ride around with the stock muffler catback for a while. But when I do get the aftermarket catback that has a smaller muffler back there, or 2 small mufflers instead of the big undercarriage muffler, hopefully I can push it in more and have it a little more flush. But in the meantime, I think it looks pretty damn good, boys. Whew, spicy.